Hey now, just like with any way of eating, you're going to come to know your go-to dishes that cover you for when you're going out and about, hiking, traveling, camping, going on an airplane. You know that it takes you 10 minutes to whip something up and you love it every time. And for me, that is this chickpea salad. And I'm going to take it with me when I go traveling this weekend with my folks to a hotel with a water park. So, boom. Welcome friends, my name is Colleen Marie and this is Create a Great Healthy Life, where we help you adopt and stick to a whole food plant-based lifestyle so you can create a great life for yourself and others. So let's get making this yummy chickpea salad. So the trick with this salad is you're going to take that potato masher that makes it so that you can't close the drawer, that one. You're going to take that potato masher and mash up these chickpeas to the consistency that you think you might like. I mash them for about probably 2 or 3 minutes. It gets the hulls off and breaks it down, and so that's what makes it kind of like a chicken salad or a tuna salad. That is what makes that magic, is breaking these chickpeas down. I do kind of a rotating action a little bit. Okay, and now we're just going to do some chopping. Chop the celery and the onion. Well, this onion is a little bit on the huge side, so I probably won't use this whole onion, probably half this onion. I've learned my lesson the hard way about adding a little too much onion to a dish. Sometimes my tummy is like not down for that much raw onion. So, yep. So I'm definitely going to use half this onion. And I like to give it one last dice to make sure the pieces are nice and small. Again, this is a cold salad, so you want the pieces to be small. They're not going to be cooking down. Chop some celery. I'm going to go ahead and do that one again. So these will be nice small pieces. So this traveling trip, I'm going with my mom and my sister to an indoor water park, which should be loads of fun, for my mom's 81st birthday, if you can believe that. My mom is very kinetic, very physical. She loves to do things. This year we're not going skiing because she needs a new knee, and so we're being a little bit cautious, a little more cautious, which is not her strong suit. She would be more than happy to go skiing, but us fuddy-duddy children are voted for water park. So we're gonna water park it, and she is probably gonna go on that surfing slide thing, which makes the fuddy-duddy children a little bit nervous, but that's okay. You know, she does what she wants, and I'm pretty excited for her. So we're gonna have a good time. That'll be a nice family trip for the three of us. We're gonna stay at a hotel, and we've decided to eat our food in the hotel rather than eating out at restaurants because the resort food is expensive and not that good. And so while they don't eat whole food plant-based, they do like good food. So let's add some walnuts now. That's probably good. I'm being a little generous. Oftentimes when I'm traveling, especially if I'm going to be traveling with non-whole food plant-based eaters, I need to make sure my food tastes really good to me and that I am really attracted to eating my food over whatever they've got. And one of the ways I do that is maybe adding a little extra fat, maybe adding a little, dried fruit, makes it a little extra special. I wouldn't necessarily always add these things, but they do make it extra delicious. So chop some walnuts. That's good. That's actually pretty generous on the walnuts, actually. Okay. And then, what was my other thing? Oh, the craisins. Sometimes I chop these because they're kind of big, the whole craisin, and I want every bite to have a craisin. There we go. Yummy, yummy. So now let's make our yummy, delicious sauce, starting with the cashews. Let them soak for a bit. And some lemon juice. I think that's 2 or 3 tablespoons. And some Dijon mustard. Dijon mustard is a real staple in a lot of sauces, eating whole food, plant-based. So I always have one in the fridge and one on deck. And then some garlic, some minced garlic. Yum, yum, yum. Put that in there. Come on now. There we go. And some apple cider. So not only the lemon juice, but the apple cider for some acid. And then I am not stingy on the curry powder because I really like that curry flavor. Oh, and some water. Half a cup of water. Shoop. All right, let's get this blended up. Okay, let's get ready to rumble. Oh yeah, oh, yummy, yummy. This came out a little bit moist, but that's okay, especially because I'll be having it in the fridge for a couple days. The moisture will definitely absorb. Okay, and that's it. Probably add a little salt and pepper to taste. You know how I feel about Mrs. Dash. I might add some Mrs. Dash, but this is ready to go. So I'm gonna add a little salt and pepper here at the end, a wee bit. This is ready to go. Yummy, yummy. Oopsie. Get this out of the way. Let's give this a taste. It's yummy. I am going to add some dash. Remember, recipes are guides. You, as the chef, you have to taste the food and make sure you like it and add spices until you nail that landing. I'm going to add a little Mrs. Dash. Here you go, my favorite, Mrs. Dash. La 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 la. Or the Swedish chef. Oh, that smells good. I like that. I think I'll do some more pepper too. I'm at the bottom of my pepper shaker. And as always, these flavors meld over time. So this is just going to get better and better over the next day or two. Let's give this one a little taste. It's solid. It's solid. I like it a lot. It's going to travel well, hold up well. It's going to fill me up. It's going to feel good. And I'm not going to be jealous of what other people are eating. Boom. Thanks so much for making this chickpea salad with me. I'm Colleen Marie. This is Create a Great Healthy Life. I want to help you create a great life so you can have a great life for yourself and others because it's just freaking great. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, come back, see you again. I love you. Bye-bye.